Hi, I'm Travis Brennan, General Superintendent, KHS&S Contractors, Orlando. So some of the challenges we've had in the field regards work in place or information being funneled down. What could we do better to get the information from the job site trailer, the office, wherever the planning is being done, down to the field crew so they understand what they're building the first time. So how we met some of these communication challenges we have in the field, we've developed what I like to call a huddle board. It's gone through multiple generations, multiple revisions over the course of the last 5-6 years to get to where it is now. It started back in the day with just a small drywall, and it's evolved into 15-minute, 20-minute meeting in the morning instead of just that stand around waiting for the foreman or the super to say get your tools out of the gang box and go to work. We kind of discuss what's going to go on for the day. From a time-saving component, it takes a team of people to really help me. SG World really filled that role for me. I let them know, hey, these are some of the things that I want to change with my board or some of my safety culture. And they really met the call, as I'll say, to help design. So from a partnership standpoint, I don't think you're going to find a better partner than SG World.
To learn more on how we can help you, visit us at sgworldusa.com today.